Hey guys, welcome to iGyaan. Today we're going to give you another update on the car. So we've got the Porsche Cayenne here, and I'm starting the upgrades and the mods process for the Cayenne. And the first step is of course paint restoration, because this car is fairly old. We've got lots of cracks and swirls on the paint. We've also got lots of rock chips. The paint is sort of fading away in certain areas. So the idea here is to get the paint back to factory finish. So we're here at Steam and Shine again, where we got PPF done for the Panamera, and right now we're going to get the car detailed up. So the first step is to clean out all the crevices and all the corners that have been depositing dirt. So we'll do that first, then we'll put the car in for a wash, and then we'll get compounding and polishing done on the car. So I'll take you through the entire process, so let's quickly get started. So guys, a lot of work has already happened on the car. We've got a 50-50 here, and Sunny was explaining to me what all has happened on the car. We've got most of the paint back, all the swirls seem to be gone, but let's go over to Sunny and he'll explain what has actually happened on the car.
So Bharat, as you can see here, we have done compounding, polishing and jeweling on this panel on the right side. So in that we have removed all sort of swirl marks, any sort of scuff marks. There were a lot of deep scratches on the paint as well. So we've removed all of those. So we have done jeweling also, which removes any sort of buffer swirls that come during the process of compounding and polishing. So if you look at the paint right now, it's absolutely flawless. There's nothing, there's no defects, there are no scuff marks, and especially all the deep scratches. Since your car had a lot of deep scratches, they're all gone now.
Okay, so what are we doing now? After this, we're going to do like a coat to protect this?
Now we're doing, since we're doing a level 2 ceramic coating on this, so the next step would be to do a complete foam wash and then do a IPA wash, and after that we'll apply the ceramic coating on top of it.
Okay. And so the ceramic coating will then protect further scratches?
Yeah, so it creates a thick layer on top of the paint. So whatever damage happens, it happens on the ceramic coating, not on the paint.
Okay.
So it creates a barrier between the environment and your car's actual paint.
So guys, as you heard, we've done most of the work on the car already. We've got the polish, the compounding and the jeweling done, and we're also going to finish up the entire remaining hood, and after that we're going to do a ceramic protection coat. Now I'm getting the level 2 protection coat done. There are actually 3 levels, so you can choose whatever you want depending on what car you have and how much protection you want to give it. So we're going to get the ceramic done here, and then we'll reveal the car to you finally and how it looks. So let's get into it. So guys, as you can see, the car is fully done. It cured overnight. Now the ceramic is complete and the car looks absolutely amazing. A big shout out to Steam and Shine Auto Spa here at Arjan Garh next to the metro station. Absolutely amazing job. They do amazing work with the cars. They did my Panamera as well as my Cayenne, and both of them came out absolutely amazing. Now we've got paint restoration done. The car looks almost as good as it did when it came out of the showroom the first day. It's time to take it for some mods. So we'll get started with all of that. Now if you enjoy this car content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button on this video, and let us know in the comment section below if you like this content, and stay tuned for more such stuff, more mods coming to both the cars. So I'll see you then.